stage view of how I do it. I'm going to have the 2 behind the 8, or the 2 in front of the 8. I'm going to change the 2 to the 8. The index and middle finger clip the front card, and the thumb grips the back card, the 8. So they're not actually close touching, and you're going to sweep at an angle. 1, 2, 3. Gripping this one behind. Stuff in the front, it's so that flash, so you want to keep it to where your audience is, or you're facing the audience 3/4 of the view if you're doing it on stage. So here's the move slow. Just continue practicing flipping that under. Basically the back card stays still while the front card is moved. Just keep practicing that over and over, and you should get it down. And then you can add the snap. Just like that.
Sorry ass DJ.
So have fun with that.
You can get some.